A 0.02 kilogram bolt moves with a simple harmonic motion that has an amplitude of 0.24 meters in a period of 1.5 seconds. The displacement of the bolt is at plus 0.24 meters when t equals 0. Compute A, the displacement of the bolt when t equals 0.5 seconds. Alright, so for A, we're going to use this classic equation. And we're trying to find the displacement when the bolt is at 5.5 seconds. So what we can do is actually rewrite this as x over x0 is equal to a cosine wt divided by a. And you just plug in our numbers that it gives us. So it would be x over 0.24 is equal to 0.24 cosine 2 pi divided by 1.5 because w equals 2 pi divided by t, and it gives us t as 1.5. So yeah, 1.5, and that's times our 0.5, and that's all divided by 0.24. So you just gotta solve for x. And when you do, you'll get the x equals negative 0.12 meters. So that was A. B. The magnitude and direction of the force acting on the bolt when t equals 0.5 seconds. Well, we're going to use this nice little thing. Acceleration equals negative w squared times x. And our w was the 2 pi divided by, right, w equals 2 pi divided by t. Our t was 1.5. So our w is our w squared, which is what we want, is negative 17.546, and then our x that we found, because this is still at 5 seconds, or 0.5 seconds, so we just use the answer that we got in part A, which was negative 0.12. So you just times those together and you'll get 0.042. That's meters a second squared because that's our acceleration, but we want the magnitude and direction of the force acting on the ball. So we want the force. So we all know force equals mass times acceleration, and this is our acceleration. And it gives us the mass, which is 0.02 kilograms. Just do that times 0.02. Wait. That's not right. Our acceleration was 2.1. Sorry, I jumped the gun a little bit. So our acceleration we got here was 2.1. So 2.1 times 0.02 equals 0.042. That's the force. So that's part B. Alright. C. The minimum time required for the bolt to move from its initial position to the point where x equals negative 0.18 meters. So we're just going to use the formula T equals T divided by 2 pi arc cosine of x divided by a. And then plug in our numbers. So T is 1.5 divided by 2 pi arc cosine of negative 0.18 divided by 0.24. Run those numbers and you'll get 0.577 seconds. 0.577. So that was part C. D. The speed of the bolt when x equals negative 0.18 meters. So we're going to use this formula. Our V, velocity equals W times square root of A for amplitude squared minus x squared. So once again, just plug in our numbers. Equals 4.19, because that's our W, which is 2 pi divided by T, and then times square root of our amplitude squared, 0.24 squared minus 0.18 squared. Plug those numbers in, you'll get 0.6646. Here's a second. Whew.